So we got this situation to handle. We have f of n as 1 and f of n equals to this ugly thing. Then we have to find this part. Okay. So let's find out the pattern first. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now let's proceed. So we need to find out f of 2. So what we have to do? We have to replace n with 2. Now can I write 2 times summation r starts from 1 and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So f of r. Now can I write this thing to be uh, 2 times 2 times f of 1. And who is f of 1? F of 1 is 1. है ना? So this you got 2 into 1. Now let's find out f of 3. So who is f of 3? 2 times r starts from 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. F of r. So can I write 2 times? We will have f1 plus f2. So who is f1? F1 is 1 and f2 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 times 3. Okay. Now look at the next part. Now we are interested in finding f of 4. So f of 4 is what? 2 times summation starts from r equals to 1 to 3 f of r. Now 2 times it is f1 plus f2 plus f3. Now be super slow and look at your observation. So f1 is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 6. So it is 9. So 9 can I write as 3 ka power 2? I hope you guys are getting the pattern. Okay. So here this 1 can be replaced by 3 power 0. है ना? So you got the pattern. Now how we should respond? Look at the idea. So my point is this pattern will keep on going and the final conclusion will be, look at this. So it starts from f1, है ना? So who is f1? F1 is 1. Now who is f2? You will be adding this thing. Now you will be writing f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 dot 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 fm. है ना? So look at this. So who is f1 is done. F2 is 2 times 3 power 0. Then 2 times 3 power 1. Then 2 times 3 power 2. Then 2 times 3 power 3. And this thing will keep on going. Okay. So look at this. First term, like we have to go till m. So look at this. We have the last number is m. So look at this. It is minus 1. It is 0. It is 1. It is 2. So the last element will be what? 2 times 3 power m minus 2. Correct or wrong? Correct now. Means because it start from minus 1. We don't know what is this. So from here it is 0. So after one term it is 0. So we have assumed that before term would be minus 1. Now look at this. Can I write this thing as 1 plus a? So who is this? A is 2. R to the power n. So who is R? R is 3. Now from here you will talk to the number of terms. So it starts from 0. है ना? Like all together we are having m terms. So if we will ignore 1, we will have m minus 1 term. So a r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So who is r? 3 minus 1. This is 2. This thing gone. Then we are left with 1 plus 3 power m minus 1 minus 1. This thing gone. We are left with 3 power m minus 1. Therefore, the required result is 3 power m minus 1. I hope you got the idea, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay.